Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do lifestyle, home decor, pets, candles, beauty, fashion. We do it all. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And guys, as always, please do give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. Also, don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways. We have our holiday appreciation giveaway and we have our thrift bag giveaway. Both will be linked down below, so if you have not yet entered, please do so. And as you can see, today we have the December 2019 The Peaceful Warrior box. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this box. I have unboxed it one time before, and I personally love this box, the message of this box. I can totally personally relate to. So I will put a link down below if you would like to check it out. Now it is $20 a month. It does ship worldwide. They do have free shipping and you do have to order by the 10th of the month to get the current box. Now, if you go ahead and prepay for 6 months, it'll bring it down to $18.33 a month. But it's a great monthly box for anyone with a chronic illness or anyone just wanting to practice self-love. And as you guys know, if you've been following me, I have rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, degenerative disc disease. I have quite a few different autoimmune issues. So this is a box, like I said, that on a personal level, I can totally relate to. So it also says that the monthly box will have exciting new products that promote comfort, home decor, beauty for you. They do have a Facebook community. It says, too often we feel alone in our struggles and illnesses, but here we have a community that promotes kindness and peace. Now, as far as the box, the products will add beauty to your life, promote comfort, and give you a good belly laugh. A portion of every sale goes to the research of fibromyalgia. So I think that is fantastic. I do also have fibromyalgia. So like I said, a link will be down below. It is $20 a month with free shipping, or if you want to go ahead and prepay for 6 months, you can save a little bit per month. But let's get in here and see what we got for December. The last box I opened, I believe, was October. There was an airplane in there, and I have fallen in love with airplanes ever since. I just love looking at it. I think it's peaceful, which is obviously the point. Just to look at that, you know, I don't know. I love this box. So here's what you see, the pretty teal tissue paper and a sticker. So we peel that back and we have a card. Now the card goes over everything that is in the box. It says The Peaceful Warrior, hello, be beautiful. So it says in your December box you have, and then it goes over the products. So let's see, we are going to start. We have a pop socket. It says a removable grip for your phone or tablet. Get a better grip on your phone to drop less and to give your hands a break. Also great for taking selfies. It does say The Peaceful Warrior. So that is great. I do know that it does help, you know, to hold the phone. And then we have some fuzzy socks. Can't get enough of these. And this says to keep your feet toasty warm this season. And these are a really pretty pink. They do have the grip on the bottom and they are very, very soft and cozy. All right. And then we have a Lava Rock heart necklace. This is a Lava Rock essential oil diffuser necklace. Just dab 1 to 2 drops of essential oil on the heart stone. That will last about a day. You can enjoy a different scent every day. So let's see what this looks like. Peppermint is one of my favorite essential oils to use this time of the year. So to have it around my neck and be able to smell it would be fantastic because it helps with headaches and it just, you know, obviously your sinuses and different things. Oh, this is actually really pretty. All right. Oh, okay. And I love that it is long enough to slip over your head. There you can see the lava rock in the shape of a heart. I really like this. And like I said, you can, or like it says, you can put different essential oils. So you could use like sweet orange one day, peppermint the next. You could do however you like. I really, really like that. That is so pretty. And like I said, I love that it's a longer necklace because especially with RA, it can be really hard to sometimes clasp necklaces. So I tend to go for necklaces that can just slip over my head. All right, so then we have, all right, it looks like the rest of this kind of goes together. We have, oh, this is cute. You can tell that she made this. So we have a coffee cup that says Peaceful Warrior on it. And then we have chocolate spoons. It says dunk these 3 Godiva chocolate spoons in your favorite hot beverage. The milk chocolate with peppermint crumbles, milk chocolate with white chocolate drizzle, and dark chocolate with cocoa powder. Enjoy in coffee or hot chocolate. So here you can see the peppermint chocolate with the peppermint pieces. This is the dark chocolate with the cocoa powder, so you can kind of see the powder in there. And then this is the chocolate with the white chocolate drizzle. So that is awesome. And I do really, really like that it also included an ingredient list here. So it's the chocolate spoon ingredients, Godiva dark and milk chocolate, and then it goes over everything. It does say not for those with peanut allergies. So I do like that that was included, just that extra like, hey, watch out. I do really, really like that. So we got the coffee mug with the 3 different hot chocolates. We got the pop socket to help us hold our phone. We got this just gorgeous lava heart or lava rock heart necklace. We can put some essential oils on, and then we got some super, super soft and cozy non-slip socks. So I really think this box for 20 bucks, it's just a great way to get things that are just going to make you more comfortable. And I can tell you, you know, dealing with pain on a daily basis, anything that makes you more comfortable is worth, you can't put a price on it. You really can't. So I definitely, do I think the $20 price point with free shipping for this box is appropriate? Yes, I do. Like I said, the other box, there was an air plant, and even the little thing to hang the air plant. I forget what else, honestly. I think there was like a journal or something. But it's just different things. Like I said, every time I look at that air plant, I do feel peaceful because it's just gorgeous and just hanging, and it's just beautiful. And now I can put some fuzzy socks on and make some hot cocoa in my Peaceful Warrior cup and just feel cozy. And guys, when you have these different chronic illnesses, we need those days more than you could imagine. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you check out Peaceful Warrior. If not for yourself, this would make a great gift. If you know someone who has a chronic illness and just needs a little monthly pick-me-up, this would make an amazing gift. And like I said, if you prepay for 6 months, that does bring the price of the box down to just over $18, and it's free shipping. So you cannot beat that, I promise you. From someone who has the chronic illnesses, that price point, it's immeasurable. You cannot put a price on comfort when you feel pain daily. So again, leave your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.